The Celestron StarSense Explorer 114 is an app-enabled Newtonian reflector telescope designed for beginner astronomers, manufactured by Celestron, a trusted brand since 1960. This model features a 114 aperture and integrates smartphone technology for an intuitive stargazing experience. It stands out for its ease of use and advanced StarSense technology that simplifies celestial navigation. This telescope uses patented StarSense technology to analyze star patterns and determine your location in the sky, guiding you with on-screen arrows through the StarSense Explorer app. Five-inch reflector with high reflectivity coatings delivers sharp views of the moon, planets, and deep sky objects like nebulae and galaxies. Its manual alt-azimuth mount includes an altitude slow-motion adjustment for smooth tracking. The app also offers a curated list of the best celestial targets based on your time and location, enhancing your nighttime observations. Ideal for beginners seeking a straightforward, interactive way to explore the night sky, this telescope combines technology and quality optics for a rewarding experience. Backed by a 2-year warranty and expert support, it makes stargazing accessible and enjoyable for all skill levels.